Hi friends, today we'll study same single print zones and volume profile both in brief and how we can take the entries near this volume profile or single print zone. We'll study briefly. Now first we'll go for NSE website. See, this is NSE website. If you go for products index, okay, out of going there, about index, if you click on that, you get Nifty 50 index. If you click on this, you will get download fact sheet also. After downloading, here we'll get weightage of Nifty. See, weightage percentage. Here we can see financial service weightage is 36% and IT also 14%. Totally 50%. If we compare both, we'll get approximate 50% weightage. Okay. First, we should understand that most of the successful traders only succeed when we see in brief everything. Here we can see financial service 36% and 14%, 50% weightage. Imagine that if this 50% weightage is in negative, definitely Nifty will fall. If this 50% is positive, definitely Nifty may move up. At least it will be in sideways, right? If we compare this 50%, remaining 50% also we can see, but we will monitor only this 50% as of now. We'll just check it. Yesterday, how we would have traded near the single print zone. See, here we were monitoring 13th March single print zone. Single print zone is nothing but the gap between the bars. Why we were monitoring this 13th March is this was the day we got a big movement. Big movement we saw, and also circuit break happened on that day, and lot of positions also maybe develop on that day. So we're monitoring the single print zone. Single print zone only can be made by big money traders. Okay, not a retail trader like us, we can't do that and all. Okay, now coming to the topic, we'll see what happened yesterday near the single print zone. See, we got a negative open near the single print zone. We can see here, and we didn't see any continuation about the first candle. Okay, price also closed positively above that, but it is a negative open. We can see only for sell, right? Okay, how to confirm to sell? See, day before yesterday we got a fall, and the first time we got a demand and supply zone near this. Till this get break, we can't see the up move. Okay, here you can see we got a rejection exactly there. Okay, it's showing negative sign. IT, IT also not accepting above the day high. You can see previous day high is getting rejection. This shows that 50% of Nifty is negative. Here opening also we are seeing negative in Nifty, right? Definitely we can trade here. After see this move happen, we would have trade here and put the stop loss over there. Okay, like this we can take confirmation. After taking like this confirmation, you won't get hit the stop loss. So it's very important to see the weightage of Nifty sectors, and also we'll see the volume profile also. We'll go for volume profile. For volume profile, please don't purchase. You'll get freely in AMI broker. Just you want to purchase data. Okay. Here we can see day before yesterday. Few days back we have a volume. Here was a big volume, and exactly there that sector also showing sell. Here would have traded here. See that sectors 50% is negative, right? Almost 50% is negative, and it's also showing sell. You can sell here and put somewhere stop loss here. You will get a good movement. Okay, like this yesterday we saw the movement. Today also we can see volume profile. Day before yesterday we got a good volume here. Volume is nothing but in this volume profile which place is more volume, will mark that zone. Okay, this day I was monitoring two, see here, and this volume profile. See, yesterday we got exact support near that. You can see exact support, and it was bouncing back. See here, the market got opened here and we were getting sell. Okay, it stopped exactly near the volume profile. Means we'll call it as HVN. This heavy volume node we'll call it as HVN. Nothing but okay. We'll see the single print zone. Is there any single print zone on the day to trade? Yes, see here we got a single print zone on 20th. We got a gap between the bars. You can see here. This we'll call it as single print zone. Okay, we'll mark here. We'll go for 5 minutes. And before entering here, we'll see the Finzer and IT. Finzer. Okay. Finzer didn't cross the low of yesterday. It's showing till it cross and accept here, we can say that market is negative. So here we can see, okay, it didn't cross the low. IT. See here, yesterday we got a low, high rejection. Today we got a low rejection. You can see low has been rejected and coming, means it's trading above the low. It indicates that the market is on buy. See the time 9:50. Okay, 9:50 it's showing buy. Okay, we'll see 9:50 where it was trading. See 9:50 it was trading above this single print zone and we got a good stop loss. See, this is all the stop loss, and if you enter here while confirming the both, at least you can exit near the single print zone, right? Again, to trade here we should see same Finzer and IT, whether it is negative or positive. Like this we should see. See, if you want to sell here, one thing we want to see Finzer how it was trading. See, means I was saying about this demand and supply zone. Till this break, we can't see the up move, right? See, when it got cleanly, it has been broken this, and it broken yesterday high also and trading successfully above that. So indicates the market is full positive. Like this, the movement we saw, but every day we can't see the movement like this. Okay, don't worry about that. Cool. I hope you understand that single print zones and volume profile also, and how we can trade effectively near that single prints and volume profile zone. And please don't purchase market profile and volume profile chart. It's a money waste. I purchased it and simply it is waste. Don't purchase it. Just you can see in the candlestick pattern. If you want volume profile, you can Ami Broker. It's free of cost. You can see the volume profile there, and you just need to purchase the data. Don't go the purchase data. Data will cost 2,000, 3,000 also per month, but you will get for below 1,000 also data. Purchase that. It's enough. Okay, guys. Thank you for watching the video. Don't miss to subscribe so that you won't miss any further videos, guys. And please share with your friends if anyone is necessary. Thank you.